Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be discussing what to do in case you do not see the create channel option under WhatsApp. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is head on over to your WhatsApp application. Now, according to the new update on WhatsApp, instead of the status section, you see the update section. And under the update section, there's this new feature called channels. Now, if you tap on the plus icon, you'll be able to see the create channel option. However, if you're not being able to see this option, then here's what you're going to do. Simply go ahead and make sure that your WhatsApp application is up to date. Go ahead and visit your Play Store, and on the search box of the Play Store that appears on the top of this interface, go ahead and type WhatsApp. Once you open WhatsApp and if you see the update button on WhatsApp, go ahead and tap on it. If you don't, then that means that your WhatsApp application is up to date. However, if you're still not getting the create channel option, the next thing you're going to do is long press on the WhatsApp application, tap on app info, and you'll be able to see the force stop option. Go ahead and tap on it and confirm that you want to force stop by tapping on OK. Once you've done that, head on over to the storage on app info, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, and confirm that you want to clear cache by tapping on OK. Once you've done that, you should be able to see the create channel option. However, if you don't, then go ahead and screenshot once you've tapped on the plus icon, and on the top right corner of the screen, you'll be able to see the three dotted icon. Tap on it, head on over to settings and scroll down. You'll be able to see the help. Tap on it, tap on contact us, and under contact us, simply go ahead and explain how you are not able to see the feature of create channel on your WhatsApp application. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see the next button on the bottom right corner of your screen enabled. Tap on it and WhatsApp will get back to you within a certain amount of time and help you resolve your issue. However, sometimes it may be because the create channel option isn't currently available in your region. So if that's the case, then you're just going to have to wait it out until WhatsApp makes the feature available in your region. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.